This is a needle.
Get that away from him.
Not a toy. Not cute.
Go play him. Get Palin. No, get Palin. Get Palin.
Did you know this is going to take about days for me to do? Like tons and tons of days. Because look how far I am, because I got to do every single stitch. I'm serious. And look, I did barely anything right over here.
What was that song you guys were just singing?
Quarter after one.
What are you guys doing?
Sewing. Yeah.
Who showed you how to sew?
Hannah. I'm trying to do this, it's the hardest one of all.
What are you sewing, Max?
Just a little pocket and I'm going to make a purse.
For who?
Madison.
Cool. What are you sewing, right, guy?
Snowball.
Can I see your snowball so far?
No, it's going to be really big, like this big. Yeah.
Oh, cool.
He said it's going to be a surprise.
Oh, good job, everybody.